Welcome to the race fields, motherfucker.
Warning, this video is not for the faint of heart. The gameplay you're about to witness contains extreme levels of mechanical skill, rapid hand movements, and absolutely disrespectful gameplay. Side effects may include confusion, dizziness, loss of confidence, and questioning your own ability. If at any point you feel your soul leaving your body, that's completely normal. And no, I will not be giving it back. Do not attempt anything you see here at home unless you're trying to embarrass yourself. Other additional side effects may include hand cramping just from watching, sudden urges to uninstall, and whispers of, "Oh my gosh, Peach." With that being said, let's get it cracking and straight into the video. Hey yo, fine shit. Come over here and give me a hug. Yo, cut. What's poppin', y'all, and welcome back. Or welcome to the channel for your first time. In today's video, we have some reaction gameplay for all you fine folks out there. And yes, I am a BBL Latina. At least I'm trying to be. With that being said, though, subscribe to my boy, TrendyBoy6. He's definitely been on the grind when it comes to YouTube. Upon making this video, I believe that he had 7 subscribers, and now he's at 6 as I'm waking up this morning. So whoever unsubscribed, yo mama's a hoe. With that being said, let's get it cracking and straight into the video. Alright, so it looks like Trini's going to be playing Karma. If you watched the last video, you know my obsession with Karma, and I watched this Izu 9 gameplay, so I know this shit is just filthy. He turns on Big J here, which he honestly shouldn't have. Well, hold up, Trini. Why are you on your hands and knees here? My brother, you want to talk about it? This slide's nasty. Good double kill. Good repositioning. Balls deep in their territory. Nice hip fire. Good dog tag. Yo, this is just nasty. Why are you doing these bots like this, Trini? No way you should have won that either. Crazy. And he popped fragmented rounds. I didn't even realize it. Holy shit, it's just going. Yo. Give these bots a chance. Let a player breathe. The fact that you are hip firing from 15 feet is just diabolical. Yo, yeah, you should not be able to hip fire from 15 feet, brother. Pop them fragmented rounds again. Yep, I see you. The shield perk is crazy, but not enough. Don't even need to pop the ult. You don't even need to pop the ult. It's fucking 35-4, Trini. Get off the bots, brother. Give them a chance. Hey, GG's though. That was a master's bot lobby. More like a master bait lobby. Because you really baited them into those kills. Alright, so up next in his master climb is going to be his platinum ranked gameplay here on Hardpoint. I'm going to link that down in the description below. With that being said, let's get it to it. Karma.
Stop this madness.
Hey, Sugar Plum, you take your schizo meds today? Because if not, why the fuck you judging me? Alright, so we got Dead End again. Same map as last time, except this time he's running the Megan and the OAN. Bro, I'm saying y'all be sleeping on the OAN. I know it's not the fastest time to kill, but I really like that jiggle peek that he did there. One more time. Alright, see how he just swivels the hips here? He's able to get that angle. That's really nice positioning. That's what I mean by just being a very good mechanical player. It's just understanding how you position yourself is so pivotal, especially in FPS games. How he's able to swivel those hips around. He's going in a circle, jiggle peeking corners. Yeah, this is the epitome of what it needs, what top tier gameplay looks like. Regardless if he dies here or not, I really like how he wasn't just ego challenging. He's not just going in 1v3 balls blazing. Like everything has like a metric to it. Everything is very, it's not static. It's very fluent with where he's going. And honestly, his aim is just holy, like, brother, I'm not even like trying to glaze like that, but holy shit, anytime you're hitting headshots like this, especially when they're ulted up, brother is snapping here. God damn, ASAP, you don't stand a chance, homie. You go back to the ASAP Rocky store. Shit, my brother, you get me hyped. Hold up, you get me hyped. God damn, ASAP, go sit down somewhere. He's literally telling you to go sit down, ASAP. The fact you don't get back shots there is kind of crazy. Oh my, you got them scared. You got them scared. They're spawning in middle. Good one. Coming back around. Oh my. Nah, you seen him back there. You seen him back there. Yeah, here he comes. Don't even try. Oh, nice, nice. Damn, you even got the bots. Oh my gosh, the bots are coming back there, Frank. God damn, ASAP, get out of the corner. Damn, brother.
Hardpoint is under fight.
Yo, Trent, you gotta go get that get back. Pop that. Still see him. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh, it's still there. He's still there. He's still there. He knows he's still there. He's no. Yeah, yeah. He needed that ass. Yeah. Yeah, definitely one of the most mechanical players. Just his ability, like, with aiming. He's not doing anything super flashy with the movement, but the movement is very calculated in a way that he still makes it extremely tough for you to track him while he's going east and west and even north to south. His positioning, his IQ, his ability, honestly, to slide while aiming, it is one of the most impressive things that I've seen. Extremely calculated movement. 85 to 3. Yo, you sent them back to the gulag, homie. Yo, like I said, if you're not subscribed to TrendyBoy6, what are you doing with your life? Go give him a whole bunch of subs. He definitely deserves it. TrendyBoy, the fact that you have not uploaded in 10 days is really pissing me off, though. I need more content. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the BBL Latina version of me. With that, I'm going to switch back to my normal self, though. Okay, first things first, I appreciate you guys and all the support recently that you've been showing the channel. Without you, none of the success would be even imaginable. We just hit 10K, which is really exciting. And so one of the things that I desperately want to do is give back to the community and basically anybody who is a supporter of this channel already. So if you have gameplay that I can react to, if there's any way that I can plug in your channel and just continue the growth for the game Urban Heat as well as your own personal growth, I would absolutely love to do this, because honestly, at the end of the day, what's the point of sitting on top of the mountain if you're just sitting up there by yourself? Again, thank you all for the support, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.